Hi kids, would you like to color train with us? Let's go! We are at the red station. Look, red apple, red balloon and a red car. Red is bright and strong. Let's go to the next door. Now we are the yellow station. See the yellow sun, a yellow duck and a yellow bananas. Yellow is happy and shiny. Time for the next stop. We have reached the green station. Look, at the green trees, green grass and a green frog. Green is the color of nature. Now stopping at the blue station. The sky is blue, the ocean is blue and the whale is blue. Blue is cool and calm. This is the orange station. Orange carrot and the sunset all are orange. Orange is warm and fun. We are now at the pink station. Pink flower, pink candy and pink balloons. Pink is soft and sweet. Our last stop is black and white. Look, the panda is black and white and so is the zebra. Black and white are cool colors too. Wow, you learn all the colors today. Red, yellow, green, blue, orange, pink, black and white.